Do you have any friends? Luckily, if you follow these tips, you'll be the friendliest person you know. Let's get started. One of the easiest tips to follow is to always remember to smile. This will make you seem friendly. Okay, remember to smile. Well, next time, try to make your smile seem more genuine. Just like that. Another way to appear friendly is to be approachable and open. Try to get their attention and start a conversation. Don't worry, we'll just try again. Try waving this time. Don't mess this up. Another tip is to plan out what you might say during a conversation.
Hello, how are you? How's your day going? How are your grades? Do you like pineapples? Because I love pineapples.
All right, no problem. I've got one more tip for you. Maybe try talking about something they're interested in, something personal. This will get them interested in holding a conversation with you.
Hey,
Hey,
what's your blood type?
Oh, we can try again.
actually, I'm type AB. Type AB is like the blood donor or something.
Yeah.
I don't know if they're recording.
Wow, he actually did it. Well, there you have it. And remember, one of the best tips to make friends is to always be yourself. Now get out there and make some great friends. Good luck.